I'm a bitter, angry, and jaded bartender. Think this guy.
What do you recommend for severe depression?
Booze, booze, and more booze.
And one summer, after making about 2,000 spicy margaritas, I was sick and tired of making them. So I decided to create something completely different but still spicy. What I came up with was a Pisco-based, spicy, well, obviously, floral and with a hint of chocolate concoction. Let's make one of my original cocktails, the Sunnyside. A few years back, I was working at a really fancy hotel in New York City called the Park Hyatt. If you're ever in New York City, you should go check it out. Get yourself an overpriced cocktail and do some celebrity spotting. It's a pretty cool place. This picture was taken of me when I was featured in a magazine called The Tasting Panel. I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in reading it and see what smart things I had to say in that interview. Like I said in the beginning, I got sick and tired of making spicy margaritas. And don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with a spicy margarita. I even made a video on it. But I'm sure there's a lot of bartenders out there that can relate to getting tired of getting the same order over and over. Anywho, this is what I came up with, and it actually became a pretty popular cocktail at the hotel. And these are the ingredients. Hang on, I'm gonna go get the ingredients. All right, that's better. So we're gonna need a Pisco, and a Pisco is a brandy made from grapes, and it's made in either Peru or Chile. I'm using Caravedo Pisco, which is from Peru, and it's made with only one grape varietal, and from what I understand, it's the original grape varietal used for Pisco. I'm not a Pisco expert, so I'm not gonna pretend that I am, but the grape varietal is called Quebranta. Creme de Violette, which is basically a liqueur that tastes like violet flower. This is mostly known for its use in the classic cocktail aviation. Creme de Cacao, which is a clear chocolate liqueur. It's not a creamy liqueur, it's clear. Fresh lime juice, a little bit of agave, and a chili tincture. And the chili tincture, I'll leave a link down below so you can find a recipe for it, because I actually made a video on it. We're gonna start with a couple of drops of our tincture. Quarter ounce of agave. Quarter ounce of Creme de Violette. Half an ounce of Creme de Cacao. Three-quarter ounce of lime juice. And 1.5 ounce of your Pisco. And now I'm just gonna go get some pebble ice for this and give it a quick whip shake because we're gonna serve it over ice as well. And there it is, let's give it a try. Man, I hate tooting my own horn, but this cocktail is delicious. Great job, Johan. Thanks, Johan. It's spicy from the tincture, it's floral from the Pisco and the Creme de Violette, obviously. And then you have the Creme de Cacao just to give the cocktail a little bit of roundness and a really interesting touch with the chocolate flavor in there. But it's just a little bit. It's all very well balanced, according to me. This is great if you're into spicy cocktails and just want to try something new. If you're, like me, tired of spicy margaritas, then go for the Sunnyside. And it's an excellent way to put the Creme de Violette to use because most people just use it for aviation. So most of us don't even bother buying it because you'll have a bottle like this till the end of time. Unless you drink this stuff neat, but most people don't. All right, that's it. Remember to check out the links below the video. Give me a big thumbs up and I'll see you next Friday.